Despite the fact that we did see the failure of First Republic, the street is still betting that the Fed is going to keep going and raise rates. The latest Fed funds future showing a 90% chance of a 25 basis point hike this week.
네, 안녕하세요. 백구입니다. 오늘 내일 현 시점에서 가장 중요한 FOMC 회의가 진행되고 있습니다. 결과는 내일 발표될 예정이고요. 암호화폐 투자자로서 현재 가장 집중하고 계시는 이슈라고 생각을 합니다. 대부분 경제학자들은 이번 FOMC 회의에서 이자율을 25bp 상승시킬 것을 예상을 하고 있습니다. 이 결과 연방기금 이율은 5%에서 5.25% 범위로 오르게 됩니다. 이는 2006년 이래로 가장 높은 이자율이 되며 이번 회의에서는 금리 인상이 연속 10회째로 될 것으로 예상을 하고 있습니다. 일부 정책 결정자들은 5월 이후에도 더 많은 금리 인상을 요구할 수 있겠지만 대다수 분석가들은 내일 25bp 인상이 한 번 더 있을 수 있지만 이후 이자율 인상은 이제 중단될 것이라는 예측이 많습니다.
Another bank failure here this year. Do you think it's going to have any impact on what the Fed does on Wednesday?
No, I really don't. I think what the Fed's looking at, if you just go back to the minutes for the March meeting, you can kind of, dive in a little bit into the inner thinking of the voting members. Is they're looking for any kind of strains or stresses in the funding markets. And quite the opposite. Actually, the funding markets are beginning to show some signs of alleviation of the pressures that we saw in March following Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. So as long as I think the Fed sees the plumbing, for lack of a better way of putting it, is in order, that they'll give us that one more quarter point rate hike.
다음으로 해외 대표 블리시 트레이더 가레시 솔로웨이의 가장 최근 비트코인 분석 영상 보시고 오늘 영상 마치도록 하겠습니다. 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리고요. 영상 하단 링크에 떡상 메들리 무료 텔레그램방 입장 가능하오니 참고하시길 바랍니다.
Lastly, guys, I'll just take a look at Bitcoin here because I know you all want to know what's going on with Bitcoin. You have Bitcoin trading in a range, 30,500, which is a level I gave literally months ago. I said that's your resistance. That's your great wall of resistance psychologically for Bitcoin. We now know that this is your low level here right at 27,000. Today, Bitcoin's not moving. All you want to pay attention to is 27,000, 30,500. Which way does it break? Whichever way it breaks, you're going to get a big move. If you break the 27,000 level, you're going to go right down to this level right here, which is your 25,000 level here. And again, that will be your first area of support. All right, so again, right in that vicinity right there. That will be your first major level of support. So again, guys, here's your info on Bitcoin. Not moving today, but watch those two levels. It's trading in a range, and then you can trade or know which direction it's going based on which way it ultimately breaks.